Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're unboxing and reviewing a product that promises to make our charging and data transfer experience a lot easier and clutter-free. It's the MAGTAME Tangle-Free magnetic USB-C charging cable. I'm super excited to dive into this, so let's not waste any more time and get right into it. So MAGTAME were kind enough to provide two of their most sold magnetic cables. We have the USB-C to USB-C charging and data cable. It's rated at 240 watts, so it's also suitable for charging wide range of devices, including laptops. This is the 1 meter long model, and we also got the USB-A to USB-C cable as well. This self-winding magnetic design is patented, so this is basically the only cable on the market that features this exact method of self-winding. So guys, let's go ahead and check out the cables. As I mentioned, what sets these cables apart is their self-winding feature. It automatically winds up neatly with just a simple tug, eliminating any chances of tangling, which is just super convenient. As you can see, the USB-C to USB-C cable is quite thick. It's covered by braided nylon and TPE underneath, which makes the cable more durable and less prone to accidental damage. In fact, this particular model can withstand 30 kilograms of pulling force. It has been tested extensively. The cable feels really sturdy and well made, so I'm confident it will withstand everyday use without any issues. The same goes for the USB-A to USB-C data cable. It supports 3 amps fast charging and 480 megabits data transfer speeds. It has also been tested extensively and rigorously to make sure it can withstand any usage scenarios. Now let's take a moment to compare these MAGTAME cables with your typical USB-C cables. Here I have some standard USB cables that you might find lying around your house. This one is from one of my aftermarket controllers. I actually never use the cable and it just stays tangled up like that in my drawer. Not a very pleasant sight indeed. Other cables like this one try to be more tidy by featuring a simple velcro strap, but you know, still not the most hassle-free option for everyday use. Here I have the charging cable for my mobile phone. I actually take this cable and the charger everywhere with me. I usually make a loop like this to make it more compact. But then when you try to undo it, it's all tangled up. All in all, not a very elegant solution. Alright, so let's put the cables to the test. I'm going to plug in my smartphone here. And just like that, it's charging without a problem. The charging speed seems really impressive too. As I said, the cable is rated at 240 watts max, so you can charge your laptop without a problem. I have this aftermarket 120 watts power brick, which should work great for charging my Acer Nitro 5 laptop. So guys, after putting the MAGTAME Tangle-Free self-winding magnetic cables, I can confidently say it's a winner in my book. Its self-winding feature, fast charging speed, data transfer capabilities, and tangle-free design make it an essential accessory for everyone on the go. If you're tired of dealing with messy cables, I highly recommend giving this one a try. Purchase and product links can be found in the video description below. Thank you for watching and see you guys in our next video.